Forget your Deepseek AI password. Don't worry, regaining access to your account is a straightforward process. First, navigate to the Deepseek AI website. You'll find the login area. Often located in the top right corner of the homepage, click on the Login button. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. This is usually situated below the password input field. Click on this link to begin the reset process. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Deepseek AI account. Make sure you enter the correct email, as this is where your password reset instructions will be sent after entering your email. Click the Submit or Send Reset link button. Now, head over to your email inbox. You should receive an email from Deepseek AI within a few minutes. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folders. Open the email. Inside, you'll find a secure link. Click on this Reset Password link. This is a one-time use link, so it's important to use it promptly. This link will take you to a new page where you can set a new password for your Deepseek AI account. Choose a strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your new password in the first field. You'll then need to confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. This ensures you've entered it correctly. Once both fields match, click the Save or Update Password button. Congratulations! Your Deepseek AI account password has now been successfully reset. You can now log back into your account using your new credentials. Remember to keep your password secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication if available for an extra layer of protection.